Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 7 of chapter 6 section 2 from the practice exam. Find the volume V of the solid obtained by rotating the region bounded by the given curves about the specified line. Y equal to 3x square and y equal to 3x, x more than or equal to 0 about the x-axis. Sketch the region. So now we can graph. The first one, y equal to 3x square, is an upward parabola. Y equal to 3x is a straight line. Then we can find out where the two graphs meet by setting the y's to be equal. So it is 3x square equal to 3x. So it is 3x square minus 3x equal to 0. So if we take the common factor as 3x out, and it is x minus 1, 3x times x minus 1 equal to 0, which will mean x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. When x equal to 1, y can be obtained by any one of the two y values. So I'm going to pick the second one, which is 3x. So 3 times 1, it's equal to 3. So they meet at the origin 1 and at 1, 3. Right? So they meet at 0, 0 and 1, 3. When the graph is rotated about the x-axis, we get a region like this. Now we are going to find out the volume of that region, volume of that solid. So here we are going to apply, keep in mind that the whole solid is rotated about the x-axis. So here we are going to use the washer method. So in the washer method, the volume is given by integral of the area dx. We have to find out the area. It is the outer area times inner area. Outer area is the outer circle, area of the outer circle minus area of the inner circle. So it is area, outer area minus area, inner. So in the disk, area of the outer one is pi times its radius square minus pi times its radius square. I'm going to call the radius, outer radius is R2, inner radius is R1. So it is pi times the height of the first top curve, the height of the top curve, that is the vertical distance. That is going to be y of the top curve, which is 3x square minus pi y of the lower curve. The lower curve is the parabola, so it is 3x square for radius, its square. So a of x is pi times 9x square minus pi times 9x to the power 4. So our 9 pi can be taken out. So x square minus x to the power 4. Now the volume, the required volume by washer method, the whole thing is the washer method. So it is integral. We have to find out from where to where the graph is drawn. It is from 0 to 1. So it is from 0 to 1 x values. So 9 pi times x square minus x to the power 4 dx. So 9 pi is pulled out of the integral sign being a constant. Now integrate x square, which is x cube over 3 minus x to the power 5 over 5 between the limit 0 and 1. So it is 9 pi times 1/3 minus 1/5. At the lower limit it's 0. So it is 9 pi times 5 minus 3, which is 2 over 15. So that will be, you can reduce this, that is 3 and 5 here. So it is 6 pi over 5 cubic units. Being volume, you have to write that as cubic units. Hope this video helps.